So yesterday I fished entire 7 miles bridge, came back, was a little tired. That kayak is heavy with all the stuff in there. I go, you know what, let's take the battery and the motor, the NK300, not that one, that's a different motor. Let's put it right here, and then let's go get the truck and load up everything. I load up everything. I even went over there, took my time, 2 minutes, threw the garbage away, went over to Veterans Park, and as I'm getting myself on the 7 miles bridge, I remember, damn, I forgot my battery and motor. I came back here 20 minutes later, it wasn't here. I feared the worst. I basically got off the truck here, look around, didn't see my motor, thought, oh my god, everything is gone, whatever. I should have looked closer. I didn't. I stopped over there. There was a FWC police officer. I told him about it. He said, do a police report. I go, no, I don't want to do a police report because you know, what if somebody took it for a good reason? You know, like, that's, I didn't tell him that. I was thinking that, like, what if you know, like, somebody took it for safekeeping or something, remote possibility. But in my mind, I go like, no, that thing is gone. I go, you know what is the next thing I could do? Let's go ahead and post it on social media. So I went ahead and posted it on social media, and nothing happened yesterday. But this morning, after my lack of sleep, I didn't sleep at all. I was like lucid dreaming, having nightmares. I just lost $2,600. How am I gonna replace this? I'm not gonna ask for another one. I see a message on Instagram, hey, it was found. The guy that took it for safekeeping, yes, we got good humans in this world, he actually left a note here. I just didn't see the note when I came here yesterday. The only thing I saw, no motor. I didn't bother to look around. Something was telling me, get up, get off the truck, look around. Maybe they moved it around, because I seen, you know, Steve sometimes move things here in the middle. I don't know. I was thinking, do that, and I didn't. But the note was here, and today is a different date. It's 12/23. Crazy how, I mean, by now, yesterday, I was almost done. Like, I was coming back here from the 7 mile trip, but came back here, got the motor, met a new friend. Didn't asking if he was okay with me putting this story online, so I'm not gonna name him. But yeah, made a new friend, got my motor back. I'm already here. And yesterday, when I got home, I didn't know I was gonna find my motor. My motor was gone, so I went up and I set up this NK180. The one that I left behind yesterday was the NK300. So I go, you know what, Aliex, since everything is already set up, why not do this today? Do a sea trial with this NK180 powered by the amazing Amped Outdoors lithium batteries, 24 volt, 58 hours. Use coupon code Aliex5 to save you 5%. Let's try this out and let's compare. So let's go ahead and do that. A simple setup right there. With the mount, I have it on the fixed position, so the rotor, I could use the rotor to steer, and I think I should be fine. So let's go ahead, get on the water, and it's very slippery here. Maybe I should not be doing this, but worst case scenario, only thing that happens is I get wet. Let's get on the boat. Cool beans. High tide, so I think I'm just gonna, maybe let's do the flats. Okay, it's down. Let's get out of here first, bring the rotor down. I think I could get out this way. It's deep enough over here. Gonna shut this motor off. Let's give it some juice. 4.6 miles per hour. 5. Oh, Oh no, it looks crazy today here. I mean, I think it looks amazing. It's raining all around me. It's close to me, not yet. It's the middle of the day, 12:35. Well, when I was on vacation over here, spent a whole week, I will fish anytime. Man, those little fish are just pain, dude. That's a cuda though. Snappers. So little snapper, but we're on the board. All right, let's get out of here. Man, I'm getting thumps. This is either snappers or cudas, but cudas would have like cut the lure in half already. It could just be grass. Right there, it's a bite right there. Missed it though. Oh my god. I'm close. Is that like a stingray? Getting bites, but no commitment. Man, how many bites am I gonna get and no hook set? It took a lot to get this fish. It was like one bite after the other, one bite after the other. It's probably a snapper. It's a jack. Jack Crabell though. No dinner though. But they fight hard. Beautiful fish. I don't know how many times because I was feeling the thump, but no, they wouldn't hook. Just perfect eating size. That was nice. That was a nice fight with the Jack Crabell. I know it's Jack. I was hoping it was a yellow jack, but it was just a Jack Crabell. But it's still, I kept getting like little bites and nothing will eat. The water's very clear here. Could downsize to 20, but high retie, number one. Number two, Kuda's just gonna eat it. Oh, nice. Kuda's chasing it. Right there. heck is wrong with me? I had a fish. Nothing. Gone, like completely cut off, like completely gone. It's always doing that. There's always a cuda there, like a giant one. I mean, you cast once and they just like rip the freaking leader. Never fails, man. Never fails. Let's go catch another big one. Big one. Oh, not a big one, a small one, but look how I hooked that thing through the side. Not a big cuda, but look at the hook set. You may ask yourself, why do you need an extra motor in your kayak, Aliex? Well, problem is a maximum speed right now. There's a lot of current coming from the Gulf flushing to the Atlantic. Not going fast at all. I want to go under the bridge and fish that area over there. And really, it's late, 2:35. I don't have time. So what do? Well, this is maximum speed. Let's just crank up the motor in the back. Just like that, we're hitting up 3.8, 3.9 miles an hour. Remember, we're fighting heavy current. You'll see after we go over the current, we go up to 5 miles an hour, which is amazing. But I mean, compare 3.8, like we're basically going 1 full miles an hour faster right now with the current. Like, you could feel it. Let me show you. Let me bring this down to nothing. See how slow we get. .5 miles an hour. 2.2, 2.1, 3.6. It makes a huge difference. It's like 1.5 miles an hour faster. To me, that's like a lot faster. And this motor, the NK180, is pretty much weightless, and I have it paired up with the Amped Outdoors lithium batteries. I don't want to be trolling lines. There are people fishing here. Yeah. Wow, this is nice here. I fished a whole entire 7-mile bridge from here to there, stopped at a restaurant, came back here, and a lot happened. So I recommend you watch that video because a lot happened. When I say a lot, it's crazy how many things happened that day. I'm gonna go under the bridge right now, and I'm still controlling the motor just with the rotor, right? Still have the rotor on the back. It's not as efficient as if I didn't have the motor in the rear, the rotor, but the speed that you gain, it's game changing. All right, so now I'm over the bridge. I want to fish this area. I'm just gonna kill the motor. Don't want to have it down there. Well, all I have to do is just bring it up. And just like that, it's out of the water. You can see, oh, not quite out of the water. It's kind of like lingering there. I wonder if I could, like, there you go. Now it's out of the water. I thought it was needlefish, but it's saying pilchers. Sorry to burst your party time. Yeah, they're feasting on little fish. Yeah, look at the pelican chasing the little fish. Oh my god, that's so cool. I hope you can see it, man. Ooh, Mr. Pelican chasing the little fish. Yeah, he came back for it. I wonder if he got it. Well, he did get something because he's eating something. So yeah, he got something. Looks like a pilchard though. Could be that the needlefish and the pelican are both feasting on the pilchards, and I'm here thinking that the pelican is feasting on the needlefish when it's the needlefish and the pelican doing the deed. Nice jack. Sorry, the fish took me over there.
What?
The fish took me over there, sorry.
No, that's fine. What is it?
I think it's a jackerbell.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, it's been, it doesn't want to come over. Yeah, it's a nice one. Nice jackerbell. I saw a school. Man, this fish, if you want to have a fight, this fish on light tackle, catch one of these on live tackle, you're gonna love it if you like that. Those fish, you don't even need to revive them. It's just pure muscleness. Multitask here, guys. I put new line here yesterday, and as you can see, it wasn't a good job, and I'm just gonna troll and take all that line back out of there and put it back in like you would normally in the water. But I haven't tested my speed on this Newport vessel motor, so let's go ahead and do that. See that line just going out like that, 10,000 miles an hour. Oh my god, look, it's gonna get nasty very soon. We're gonna have to get out of here soon enough. Let's see how fast we're going right now with maximum speed. Actually, I could look at it because I have the trolling motor in the front. 4.5 miles an hour. I think we're fighting a little bit of current because the current's coming this way, so I'm gonna shut down this motor here. Not gonna take it out because it's just not gonna add extra speed. I tested that too many times, it doesn't. So 3.7 miles an hour, 3.6 miles an hour. Again, current is coming this way, so we're sort of fighting a little bit of that current. So real life situation on a super loaded boat. Oh my god, I already getting the backing. Oops. Oh my god. So 3.6 miles an hour. Well, it's good that I went all the way back to the backing, because that way I could put all that line back. Okay, this is bad because the line is cut up. I think this was a really bad idea, having a line on the water like that. Oh god, only happens to me. We may get rain on too. Okay, so let's take this one out. Okay, I think that was easy enough. We just removed the hook. That's cool. Now we get to reel it back in. Ooh. And really test the maximum speed of this motor. Okay, so right now, again, the current is pushing this way. We just turn around. Let's see how fast we're going. 3.7 miles an hour. Once I'm able to cut across to the exit, I'm gonna turn and see how fast we go with the current. I tested it earlier and this motor touched 5 miles an hour, like this. Can't remember where the current was going though. Man, all that work and I think we're gonna end up in the same situation. It's gonna rain here, I better hurry up. 3.7, there must be something going on here, like some crazy stuff, man, because you get more than that with this boat. The current here in the Keys is crazy. Sometimes it's going this way, sometimes it's going that way, sometimes it's going this way. It's just like crazy. Or maybe it just changed right now, because I remember the bridge I was fighting it on the bridge right there like 30 minutes ago, and now I think I'm fighting it again. Just gonna go exit here. It's crazy. Maybe the tide changed, you know. I don't know, I didn't look at the tides, but it's crazy how that changes. So 4.2 miles an hour. I'm gonna shut it down. See, we're going 3.8, 3.9. So we definitely were fighting something there. And I should have lifted that motor too. I forgot, I thought it was gonna be deep enough, but it wasn't. This time I'm gonna remember to take everything.